This is a new 2016 Ford F-350. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, a power sunroof, leather seats, heated rear seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a navigation system. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Keith Hawthorne Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 617 North Main Street, Belmont, North Carolina, 28012.